Destiny. Destiny, Toastmaster Krishna.
Thank you, Toastmaster of the Day, distinguished Toastmasters, my mentor and Toastmaster. Thank you for this opportunity. Destiny. Everyone has a debate about destiny. Is it something in your hands? Can you control it? I don't think so. I'll tell you why, and I'll give you a story, and you decide. Let's journey back. The year is 1987. Dr. K.S. Subramanian, ex-army captain, is nonchalantly walking into office this fine morning. He's taking a side door because he never uses the lift near the main entrance. He takes a side door and walks up the stairs. He reaches the office. It's 9 in the morning and the office is locked. He looks left, he looks right. He has a mental note that he's going to fire the security guard the moment he sees him. It's not unusual for him to be early to office. So the security guard has very kindly given him some keys. He comes in, opens the door, walks inside. While he's walking inside, he also notes that there is no one outside the office waiting to be let inside. And he decides that not just the security guard, the entire workforce needs to be reprimanded for punctuality. Goes inside, sits at his desk, starts working. At about 9:12 a.m., after he does his first 10 minutes of work, he walks to the water cooler, pours himself a glass of water, looks around at the entire floor. There's no one in office. Now he's pissed. Now he's very close to murder. Now, it's very important to note he's very close to murder. Keep this in your mind. He goes back to his desk very angrily, sits down, and feels something near his feet. Let's pause here. Let's take a dramatic pause here. And let's not journey back too far. Let's come a little backwards. Naveen Tambe is a security guard at this company. He came in at 8:30 a.m. that day because he was too scared of being reprimanded. He came in, unlocked the door, and was sitting outside ready. At 8:45, employees came in. They were also going in. They were too scared to be reprimanded. At 8:48, they were all in a lift running downstairs. Naveen Tambe grabbing a phone and saying, Sahib, send somebody urgently. There is a king cobra in the office. I have taken everybody out. We are standing at the main gate. I'm not letting anybody come in from the main gate. There was a king cobra in the office. Let's journey forward. Remember, he felt something near his legs. Dr. K.S. Subramanian, ex-army captain, picked up one end of it, picked up the other end of it, walked to a window, and threw it out. That's what he did. Remember the title of my speech? Destiny. What does this have to do with my destiny? I'll tell you. Dr. K.S. Subramanian could have stopped right there. Instead, he came home to his Orthodox Hindu mother, who is waiting for her grandchild to arrive, and told her that I killed a snake in India. As you can see, in my family, people take their problems in their own hands. My grandmother, the moment I was born, ran to my birth certificate and wrote bold headlines, Nageswaran. It gets better or worse. She didn't tell anybody. Nobody knew about this. For 3 years of my life, I was called Sandeep because nobody knew that that's what my birth certificate said. At Montessori, it came out. It still gets worse. We found out that that name is unlucky for me. I was so lucky so far, right? So they decided, you know how people add a K or an extra R or an extra A or a U in their name, right? I added more people. My name became Krishnaswamy Sivasubramanian Nageswaran Iyer. I used to walk into a room and people would look around expecting more people. I love motorcycling. I bought my first motorcycle with my own hard-earned money. Have you guys seen an RC card in a motorcycle? Mine's an RC book because the first page is just my name. Do you guys like debates? I used to love debates. But do you know how frustrating it is when you lose 3 minutes of your time just telling people what your name is? Once I got married, once I got my baby daughter, well, before I got my baby daughter, when we finally got to write our name in the passport, I realized, let me also start taking my problems in my own hands. So here is hope for you. Destiny may give you some nice stuff, you can take control of it a little bit. Hence today, I stand before you, I'm completely abbreviating those names and just adding 2 initials now, a TM. I'm Krishna Subramanian. Thank you.